Here we are given these limits, cube root of x, fifth root of x, like this, right? X power minus 1, x power minus 4 and all. And limit extends to infinity, minus infinity and plus infinity. In these cases, what you have to do, you have to take the highest power of x which is there in the denominator and divide everything, the numerator and the denominator with that highest power of x to simplify, right? Like this. So for example, here, what is the highest power of x? We have x power 1 by 3 and we have x power 1 by 5, which is bigger. 1 by 3 is bigger. So that's why what we will do, we'll divide everything by 1 by 3. Whole of this by x power 1 by 3. Again, whole of this by x power 1 by 3. What we will get? 1 minus, in the numerator we will get 1 minus x power 1 by 5 by x power 1 by 3. Same, in the denominator we will get 1 plus x power 1 by 5 by x power 1 by 3. Right. What does that mean? 1 minus x power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Right. This becomes in the numerator 1 minus x power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. This becomes 1 plus x power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. What is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3? This is 15. 3 minus 5, which is minus 2 by 15. Which is nothing but we are getting 1 minus x power minus 2 by 15. Right. By 1 plus x power minus 2 by 15. This is nothing but 1 minus 1 by x power 2 by 15 plus 1 by x power 2 by 15. Now here, this minus infinity, will substitute it here. Right, minus infinity power, because this is in denominator, this everything, this one will tend to 0, this one will also tend to 0. So overall limit, what is it? This is 1. Right, minus infinity, 1 by, this is in the form of 1 by infinity power something. Infinity power something. So that is still infinity only. Right. So this and this will tend to 0 and we will be left with 1 by 1 which is equal to 1. In this case, here we have x power minus 1, x power minus 4 and x power minus 2 and x power minus 3. Right. Here also we will divide everything with x power minus 2. What does that mean? X power minus 1 plus x power minus 4 whole by x power minus 2, and again x power minus 2 by x power minus 2 is 1, 1 minus x power minus 3 by x power minus 2. Okay, what does this mean? This becomes, if we remove this here, this becomes in the denominator 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1. So this part is equal to 1 by x. Right, here x power minus 1 by x power minus 2. What does that mean? This is x power 2 minus 1. Right, this is equal to x. And x power minus 4 by x power minus 2. This is equal to what? Minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 1 by x square. Right? X plus 1 by x square by 1 minus 1 by x. Now, if you substitute infinity, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, but x is here. So, this is actually equal to infinity. The limit is actually equal to infinity. Right, guys? We just need to take the highest power in the denominator and divide both the numerator and denominator with that highest power and then simplify. Basic algebraic simplification. Right, guys?